Hey guys, what's up? With the cooler and actually a lot colder months ahead of us, we are undoubtedly gonna be wearing a lot of boots. From ankle to high, you name it, we're swapping out the loafers for boots to keep our little toesies warm. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you a couple tips on how I like to style ankle boots with jeans. We're talking skinny, flare, straight leg, basically any pant that I can scrounge up in my closet, I'm gonna share with you and how to wear it. Now, I think styling ankle boots with jeans is pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple, so hopefully these tips will help you solve maybe some problems that you're running into. All right, let's get into it. The first way that you can wear ankle boots is with cropped ankle jeans. Preferably look for a tighter, skinnier jean. That's gonna help the look be a little bit more sleek and seamless. You should have a gap between the top of your boot and your hem, and it should show about 1 to 2 inches of skin, bringing attention to your ankle. The skinniest and smallest part of your leg is honestly just flattering. It looks really good. Cropped ankle jeans also allow you to easily interchange with lots of different boots. There's no bunching, no cuffing needed. You are just ready to go. If you have a pair of jeans that are a tad longer than they should be, take them to your tailor to get that perfectly cropped ankle jean. It'll cost you $10 to $15, but it is going to make such a difference in that sleek, seamless look. Here's another tip if you want to get a nice, long leg line. Find boots like these ones that have a dramatic cutout on the sides. This will create vertical lines that are going to visually lengthen that leg line on you. Let's say you have skinny jeans, but they're not cropped and you don't want to get them tailored. Let's talk about cuffs. Now, all jeans have different inseam lengths. We are all different heights. So a lot of times we're gonna have to cuff our jeans so that they're not all bunchy down below, right? And looking like a little bit sloppy. It's totally normal and natural to cuff our pants. So I'm gonna give you a couple tips and different ways that I like to do that. The first is a simple single cuff. Grab the bottom hem of your jeans and roll them up until you see about 1 to 2 inches of skin. What this is doing is defining where your jeans end and your boots begin. It's also exposing that little bit of ankle, which will create a slimming effect from the front and sides. Now, depending on the length of your jeans, that happy cuff width is about 1.5 to 2 inches wide. I wouldn't make a cuff wider than 3 inches. It'll look a little dated if you go beyond that. Another type of cuff is the double rolled cuff. Fold your hem over once and then roll it over a second time. This is great if you have longer jeans and you're just trying to hide that fabric. Also great if you have a higher boot shaft. Then you can show off the boot a little bit more. You pay money for that boot, girl. Let's show it off. And lastly, a double roll is great for more of a casual look. If you're wearing more slouchy, loose boyfriend jeans, for example. Now, like the single cuff, you want to show off 1 to 2 inches of skin. And when I'm doing a casual double cuff, I don't like to fully fold over that second roll. Instead, I create more of an undone half roll. Fourth, let's talk about wearing ankle boots with cropped straight leg jeans or pants. Now, 80% of my wardrobe is made up of this style pant. They're practical, they are cute, they are current, and they look good on majority of body types. So they're like a really good pant option. Tips for wearing these type of pants: stick to a tighter, taller boot, like a sock bootie or even a lace-up or combat boot will work. The problem with wearing a Chelsea boot or a wide ankle boot is that the boot and the hemline are gonna hit each other and kind of compete with one another. We want to avoid that. In this case, it is okay to not show off your ankle and some skin because you're still gonna get that contrast and ankle definition between that tighter, skinnier bootie and the looser pant. So if you don't have any of these cropped straight leg pants, go get some. Some of the ones that I am wearing here are from H&M. They were like $30, but they're just a really current, cool look for the winter. Number 5, ooh girl, let's talk next about wearing ankle boots with a flared pant. I just love a good flare. If a straight leg pant is flattering on majority of bodies, then it is fair to say that a flared pant is flattering on every body type. Whether you are tall, petite, or column. A flare pant is just so leg lengthening and flattering. It just looks so good. So let's talk about how to wear ankle boots with this type of pant. Also keep in mind, if you are wanting to get that long leg line, the higher the rise, the longer the leg will look. So I love going with a mid to high rise. Anywhere between 8 to 10 inches is a really nice, comfortable rise that is just gonna make your legs look like they're going on for days. I typically love wearing flare denim with a high heel pump. It's just comfortable, it's easy, it looks really good. But in the winter, you're gonna wanna swap that pump out for a boot. Get that same effect, but keep your toesies warm. It's cold and we need to get them covered. My tip is to make sure that you can still see some of that pointed toe peeping out. You don't want it fully covered. Also make sure that your pants aren't dragging on the ground, or on the opposite, too short. The sweet spot is about 1 inch to 1.5 inches off the ground. So if your pants are a little short, just find yourself a shorter heel, maybe like a kitten heel that still has that pointed toe. 6th, we should probably talk about that tried and true tuck. Now, I find that a lot of people are split on whether they like to tuck in their jeans into their boots or not, but honestly, it is just easy and classic. So if you wanna wear your pants and your boots this way, I'm gonna give you a couple tips on just how to finesse this look. First, stick to a skinnier, tighter jean. Make sure that there is no extra fabric bunching up around your ankles. It needs to be super sleek here. Then make sure you're wearing a boot with a higher boot shaft, one that will cover the bottom hem of your jeans. Once again, if you're gonna tuck, you wanna make it look as sleek and as seamless as possible. All right, y'all, that does it for the 6 different ways that I like to style my ankle boots with my jeans. I hope it was helpful. If you learned something, please give this video a like. And as always, everything that I have shared, I've included down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.